Hi everyone and welcome to Janet's Travel Book. My name is Janet and in today's video I'll take you on a tour of Wayanad Village Resort. If you want to enjoy the nature in monsoon, this is the right place to come. Situated in the Western Ghats, surrounded by lush green mountains, this place will silence you completely. I took a summer break and landed in Wayanad Village Resort. Neatly maintained bamboos welcomed us at the entrance. Felt like passing through our bamboo tunnel. Skies were pouring down, making the weather pleasant and the roads muddy. The view surrounding the resort made me go silent for a while. I was immersed in the beauty of the nature, watching lush green hills, sunset and sunrise, skies pouring down giving rise to many big and small waterfalls, lush green forest which is a home to many birds and animals. We enjoyed our evening having banana fritters with a cup of tea, standing in the bonfire square, bidding adios to the sun for the day.
There's a small pond there. नहीं नहीं घर है घर.
The evening view left me speechless, and the morning view made me numb. Reception gave me the feel of entering a Malayali house in the countryside. Reception presents Tharavadu Veedu theme along with the clay laterite and timber, paying homage to ancient South Indian heritage. Every accommodation looks like a small villa offering a panoramic view of the resort and hills surrounded by it. Plenty of plants, trees, and flowers give nostalgic appearance to the property. Rooms are spacious, attached with a large rectangular balcony. Standing in the balcony in the morning, sipping up a cup of tea, and hearing to the chirping of birds is an adventurous experience. Your luck factor can help you sighting few beautiful birds as well. A rain with the swaying wind put me to deep sleep in the night. Though the rooms are not luxurious like fancy hotels, it is enough to give you peace. Resort has a stunning swimming pool with separate sections for kids and adults. The chilled water of the pool gave me shivers in the beginning. Resort pampered our taste buds with mouth-watering South Indian cuisine. A sweet poha prepared with jaggery and ripe banana was the most I liked. Resort has showed a great interest in taking care of birds and animals. A black pigeon, few sparrows, and a grey parrot with a red tail made the environment lively. I was astonished to see a guinea fowl, which is usually found in Africa. I could not stop myself from feeding grass to the cute, innocent rabbits.
संभालो नाश्ते गलती
How sweet.
बघा
A white horse thanked me by wagging the tail after I fed grass to it. Feel so happy feeding the horse. I'm feeling like to rename the resort as Wayanad Green Resort. It gave me a natural therapy, calmness, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching.